what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. Hey girl. So today we're going to be doing this style right here with like the braided pony and kind of like the fluffy whimsical baby hairs. So let's get into it. Hey y'all, so I use for this style 2 packs of the regular connector line hair in color 2. I got a little baby flat iron, and so let's get into the style. So right now I'm just going to try to figure out where I want the braid, well, the bun position before I do the braid. So I'm just brushing my hair all the way back, and then I'm trying to see like where I want it at, because I want it like not too high, not too low, just like literally at the middle of the back of my head. So I also went off camera and brushed out like the edges that's gonna be like flat ironed, and now we're just going to try to like taper the hair a little bit and get it so it's not like super blunt at the end. So I'm literally just pulling at the ends of the hair in random places and then combing it through with my fingers and then repeating until it looks like how I want it to look. And now I'm going to get some jam because I had already blow dried my hair out and then ran a flat iron through it on 375 one time. So I'm just using some jam, and then I'm going to put a scarf on. I probably should have used like something else. I would love to like get some glaze, well, to have had some glaze, but I obviously didn't plan properly. But now I'm just going to braid my hair into 3 braids, like the little ponytail section. Y'all know I'm always doing a braid within a braid, but I'm doing this because of my ends. Like, even though I like ran a flat iron through, like my ends is just disrespectful. So I have to do something to just help them like not stick out. So braids for the win. And I'm doing 3 so that way I could just, it'll be easier for me to braid it. So now I'm going to attach the connector line hair with the rubber band that it came with, and now I'm going to take a section of the hair for like the wraparound part, like at the end, and put that to the side. And I was like kind of struggling here because I ain't have no mirror, and I was just looking into like the air quote viewfinder, aka my screen, and so then I, like I said, section 3 parts off for each of the braids and the 3 pieces that you need to do a braid, if you do a braid with 3 pieces. So then I'm just going to braid down, and it's really simple after that once you get everything sectioned off. So I'm just gonna braid that down, and then in the next clip, I know I'm skipping ahead just a little, but in the next clip, once I have like the braid all the way braided down, I'm gonna go in and kind of like pull it apart a little bit to make it just a little bit bigger. And I did dip the end of the braid off camera because that part is just kind of like super easy and self-explanatory. But yeah, now I'm just pulling the braid apart because I just wanted it to look just a little bit wider. And then I'm gonna take the hair that we left out to wrap around and just wrap it around, making sure to cover up my beige like band. And I don't use any bobby pins or anything. I just kind of wrap it around itself, and this is what we have. And I did test the little like whimsical baby hair thing off camera, but then I went to sleep. My skin is acting up. Act up, you could get smacked up. So pardon the bad lighting and everything, but it's really hard for me to try to like film this without being able to look directly in the mirror and be by an outlet. I'm just putting some heat protectant on my hands and then rubbing it on my hair, because this heat protectant is kind of like oil based, and I don't want my hair to be like super like greasy, so it doesn't want to like bump the way it should. Like, it's just not cooperating. But we're going to try our best. Okay, y'all, so I'm in a rush, but this is the final look. I mean, I wasn't really able to get the baby hairs as whimsical as I would like. You know, my hair don't respect me and it's not really heat trained, but this was as good as it was going to get, girl. And I think it looks cute or whatever. I'm about to go out into the heat, so I'm sure this is not going to look like this in 20 minutes. But for now, it's really, really cute. I like it. So yeah, I'm gonna go give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Drop that in the comments and let me know what you thought. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. I'm rushing. I have to go. I'm late for the party bus. But yeah, so I'm gonna go. Hope you enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings.